Good morning, everyone. Now I am going to explain the difference between like and as. Like is always followed by a noun or pronoun, whereas as is followed by a noun or pronoun plus verb. So this one we have to remember, and then we can do all these exercises easily. So she talks dash her mother. So now we have to understand here her mother is the noun here. So before noun we have to use like. ఇక్కడ లైక్ అనేది నౌన్ ముందు ఉపయోగిస్తాము. నౌన్ కానీ ప్రొనౌన్ కానీ ఉంటే వారెన్నింటి ముందు మనం లైక్ అనేది ఉపయోగించాలి. ఇక్కడ యాజ్ అనేది నౌన్ ప్రొనౌన్ తర్వాత వర్బ్ ఉన్నట్లయితే యాజ్ అనేది ఉపయోగించాలి. లెట్ us see second example. She cooks dash her mother. So her mother is noun. నౌన్ ముందు లైక్ ఉపయోగించాలి. ఇప్పుడు కూడా మనం గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి, నౌన్ ఉన్నట్లయితే నౌన్ ముందు మనం లైక్ అనేది ఉపయోగించాలి. He plays dash his father. His father is a noun. So before noun we have to use like. Now you tell me here fourth one. He sings dash his father sings. His father is a noun and sings is verb. So if there is noun plus verb or pronoun plus verb, మనం ఏది ఉపయోగించాలి? యాజ్ అని ఉపయోగించాలి. సో యాజ్ ఈజ్ ఫాలోడ్ by noun or pronoun plus verb. Now fifth example. Do dash I am doing. So I is pronoun here and here I am doing is verb. So here we see pronoun and verb are followed by as. We have to use as. Do as I am doing. Now the last example. Do dash me. So me is pronoun here. So pronoun is followed by like. So we have to write here like. Do like me. So this is all about the difference between like and as. I hope you understood. Thanks for watching.